Hello again!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Welcome to Sicily and welcome to this special episode of Stories of Proud Sicilian, right in Sicily!
This is a special edition.
Yes, because normally we go live with the other people in the other side of the world, but this time...
Everything is different because we have the great pleasure to be with beautiful people, and I can't wait to introduce you to. Let's switch. Allora, look at these beautiful people. Say hello. Ciao. So in order from my left, Giovanna, Irene,
Ciao.
Josie, Marie and Carlo. Salutate.
Io mi metto qua, sono mia amica qua. Mi metto in mezzo di lui. Chi sta femmina qua, sta bella femmina qua. Mi contattò e mi disse: io prima che veniva alla Sicilia vi voglio conoscere.
In English.
Let's translate, Gianca.
So we have the great pleasure to be with Marie Viviano. Marie is from Detroit. You were born in Detroit.
Yes.
But you met a Sicilian. Sorry. First of all, you have a Sicilian origin. You are from Terracini. Your family is from Terracini, province of Palermo. And you met when you were very, very young.
13.
This beddu spicchio. A beddu spicchio in Sicilian means a good slice. You know, the best slice of the cake. But we have a irony in Sicilian, so this is ironic. This is a bad word for you, Carlo. Allora, so let's talk about your beautiful stories. You told me your story, and I know that's a very, very beautiful story, but I want you to tell your story to our friends.
It's a long story.
Mettiti più vicino.
Mi metto più vicino, I go closer. So, how did you meet Mary?
In 1971. She came in Italy, and that's when I met her. 2 years later, I went in America, and that's when I met her again. And from that point, our life started.
Josie's laughing. Josie, what has happened?
Yeah, my sister looks.
No, that's true. They met when they were young and they fell in love, and it's been happily ever after.
That's it.
What, 40, 50 years? How long have you been?
No, 46 anni.
Oh, there, 46 years.
Mary, please share also your point of view about this love story.
Mary, say something about... So, Mary, let's start from the beginning. First of all, you are one of the original followers of our beautiful community of Sicily Lovers. So every time you write some comments, we are so happy because this is our first time we can meet you in person. So thank you for being here in Sicily.
My pleasure.
But this is your hometown. This is your ancestral hometown. So say something about.
I love coming here every year, especially with this cute little girl here. And this year my sister came with us, and we've been having a good time. You know,
But the best part of it, I think, was meeting you guys.
yeah.
She's a big time follower of you guys. Big time.
Yeah, I mean, look at them.
You know, a
Sono
beautiful
belli,
couple.
tutti come
Yeah.
un sole.
Betti come un sole, but you are better.
Very happy.
Mary, you are better and we are happier because it's a privilege for us. It doesn't happen many times when a follower asks us to meet, we had a beautiful surprise in Taormina when someone screamed, "Oh, Gianca, Rosella, I know you!" It was a follower, but we didn't know him. And so now we are happier because we know you You've been following us for a long time, and it's a great pleasure
I got to meet you in person.
Yeah, this is wonderful. This is wonderful.
She follow you morning, noon, or night, eat, bedtime. And sometimes I say, ma studi sto telefono.
Carlo is complaining with us.
I like to watch it too.
Okay.
I like to watch
Chi
it.
dica mi atterrà più sai perché parla proprio come me, no? Di italiano che io non ne capisco, non capisco niente.
We speak the same Sicilians because we are proud Sicilians.
That's right.
So,
Mary was born in Detroit, in America, but she speaks a beautiful Sicilian. Also Carlo, but Carlo was born here in Sicily. But Mary, so you are wonderful because you are a proud Sicilian, even if you are not born in Sicily.
Scrivo siciliano.
she's also can write in Sicilian, and it's very difficult to write in Sicilian, of course. And I would like to ask you something about your Sicilian heritage preservation in Detroit. So, tell us how you preserve your Sicilian heritage in Detroit.
That's a good question. Mary, would you say something about what you told me before? In Detroit, you have the biggest community of people from Terracini. How many?
About 11,000 people.
11,000 people from Terracini.
We got the club Terracini.
We have our own club Terracini that we've been have for over 40 years. It's been a good and nice club. We do a lot of event, a lot of tradition from Terracini that we're doing over there.
And tell me again what you said. You on Saturday morning you meet all
Saturday
the
morning with my
paisanos.
We with all the paisanos, we meet at the coffee house. We have our espresso cappuccino. We bullshit a little bit, and then we go back to work.
Would you like to say hello to your friends in Detroit?
Buona giornata a tutti. Sabato ne pigliamo caffè.
Because Carlo's vacation is almost over.
Domani si va.
Tomorrow they come back to
Yeah,
Detroit.
Carlo.
But next summer, Rosella and I will wait for you.
We like that.
Since now, so we
That's it.
can wait. The next time we arrange something better, something more.
We'll be back again.
At the beginning of that vacation.
Right.
We will be back again.
Adele? Questa è la cosa.
A beautiful family.
Okay, now I take Carlo out of the frame because I want to focus on the beautiful
Alright,
girls.
okay.
Carlo, please. But I have to focus. Wow, look at that. Five beautiful girls. Beautiful Sicilian girls.
Femmini siciliani.
Delle
Io su
femmine.
questo mascolino.
Giuseppe.
An intrusion. An outsider.
So we have to say also thanks to
Giovanna, Irene.
for hosting us because we had no internet connection, and so she hosted us in this beautiful Sicilian house.
Samantha, say hello to the world. So let me display this beautiful house. This is the typical, the traditional Sicilian house. Giusto, Carlo?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful furnitures. And thank you again, Irene, for hosting us. Yeah,
Grazie a voi per la vostra visita.
if you've been following us, if you saw the last broadcast, we tried to connect, but it was no good, and so thanks to Irene, we are here. We've been connecting to her Wi-Fi connection, so This is our effort to say hello to the world from Terracini, from these beautiful Sicilian girls. Carlo se n'è scappato. Carlo, non ti innissi, vieni qua, vieni, come here. Chi c'ha a dire all'amici tuoi? Chi dica italiano? Chi ci può dire?
Cavo mangiare è meglio che c'è da tutto il mondo.
Ma io lo sanno.
Mangiare cose dolci, mangiare è buono.
Ma io già lo sanno però.
Sì, lo sanno, ma quando uno c'è però è meglio.
E quindi ci diciamo, però questa volta ci diciamo in English.
Vacation is nice, come to Terracini in Sicily, a lot of beautiful things to see.
And
Nice
come
vacation.
see Gianca and Rosella.
Gianca and Rosella, they are the best people, best couple.
Thank you so much.
To show you around and entertain.
Che cosa possiamo dire di Terracini? Chi non conosce Terracini, for people who don't know Terracini, what would you say? In English.
Marittimo.
In English.
It's a town of sea and to a lot of beach, a lot of place to see. That is spectacular.
I say something because people follow us and already know that I live very close to Terracini. This is one of my favorite places. Terracini is a wonderful village. It deserves to be popular all around the world.
Yes.
A beautiful coastline, Calarossa.
Calarossa.
All the coastline is
Maidusa.
spectacular.
Yes.
And you have to come here. You have to
see.
discover this treasure. This is a treasure.
It is. It
It's
is.
not because I live very close to Terracini, but because I'm lucky. We are lucky to have these beautiful treasures in Sicily, in particular here in Terracini. Come to Terracini and discover beautiful people like
And you're going to
like
eat fresh
that.
fish.
Fresh fish, if you love the fish,
Every
this is
day.
your place. Aspetta che switch di nuovo. I switch again because I'm not the guest star. They are the guest
A
stars.
salutare tuo figli che ti sanno italiano.
Kathy, Carol, make sure you watch Gianca and Rosella. They're beautiful. Look at them.
We are very, very happy, Mary. Come si chiama tua figlia?
Kathy.
Katie.
Kathy and Carol.
Katie and Carol, your mom is spectacular. In person is even better than we were expecting. Is it correct?
Ci combatto io qui.
Say again.
Ci combatto io qui.
In English, if you are brave.
I deal with her.
What are you saying? They are bad girls?
No, I got a lot of patience.
Carlo, I'm in your same position. So don't think that
No,
Rosella is
the
better
Americans
than...
say, happy wife, happy life.
Yeah.
And she's very happy.
In your dreams.
In a dream.
In a dream, of
Oh,
course.
yeah.
This is the ideal situation, not in the real life.
I'm in charge of my house when she's not home.
Allora, Carlo, ti posso dire una cosa, a casa siamo in minoranza, è meglio che ti stai muto.
Sì.
I say we are just 2 men and 5 girls, so it's better we shut up because
Vediamo a dopo.
we risk to be...
Stasera no garage in scuola.
You can sleep outside.
Irene, vuoi dire qualcosa? Vuoi salutare i tuoi parenti a Brooklyn?
I miei parenti che sono a Brooklyn, tutti la mattina. Vabbè, tutti quelli che mi conoscono e mi stanno vedendo li saluto pure.
Come si chiamano? La mattina?
La mattina di cognome.
La mattina, so all the La Mattinas in Brooklyn.
Sì, in Brooklyn.
If you are watching us,
E saluto anche mia zia che sta a Detroit.
Come
i
si
cugini.
chiama?
Come si chiama di cognome? Tua
Sì,
zia Pietro.
mia zia Matilde e mio zio Pietro, tantissimo saluto.
lo dica di nuovo.
Mia zia Matilde e mio zio Pietro
A
e i
Brooklyn.
miei cugini.
A
no,
Brooklyn.
no, a Detroit.
A Detroit. So, a lot of people are in Detroit. Che cosa vogliamo aggiungere? Che siamo felici. We are
Siamo
so
very, very
happy.
happy.
Very,
Yes.
very happy.
Thanks to these beautiful people, we recharge because, as you know, guys, we are working very hard because we are managing all the Sicily Lovers orders. We are managing the San Filippo family tour. They are coming in few days. Also, we have another group in October, and so we are very, very busy, but we are very, very happy. And please let me also say happy birthday to Frank Ragusa.
Now we can say again.
Again.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Frank Ragusa is one of our dearest friends. One of the, I don't say, not only a friend. He's doing a great job to help us in the translation, correction of our content. So, but you are here, and we are waiting for Frank to be here. Frank and Anthony Ragusa, ti aspettiamo tutti.
And please, beautiful family of Sicily Lovers, don't forget to visit our new website, SicilyLover.com, because you will help us to grow on the Google ranking. We are very small so far because we are new, and so please help us visit our new online store.
For those who don't know what's the Sicily Lover project, can you say in few words what it is?
It's the biggest and the first 100% online store full of Sicilian handmade items.
What do you think? Is it correct?
Yeah.
She does a good job. She does a good job.
Excellent.
Every time Gianca complains with my
No, I'm just
English.
asking. Is it a good testimonial for us?
Yeah, beautiful.
You know, she's a model, she's a testimonial, she makes live broadcasts,
Chi si cade?
she writes the contents. She's a multitasking girl. And I should say I'm lucky.
You better like it. Stai attento.
Stai attento, perché per una professionale, chi sono? È multitasking,
Quei femmine-
è caputta puro, capito?
I femmine,
Chi può dire qui femmine? Chi dice?
le femmine lasciate contente perché sempre li vincono. Quando mi erano già.
Women rule.
Poi siamo ieri che io non capisco.
This is the best strategy.
Best strategy.
Women rule everywhere.
Yeah.
Ciao Danna Naples, good morning from Terracini. Ciao Gloria. Sorry because I don't have the glasses. I only read your names.
And of course we
We have Sheila, we have Tommaso, we have Maureen. Ciao Maureen. Matt Bartolotta. Do you know Matt Bartolotta? Aspetta, Matt.
He's from Cinisi.
Matt Bartolotta is from
vicino,
Cinisi.
yeah.
Paesano tuo.
Sì,
Matt, where are you? Where have you been? Did you say you said you had to come here, but I didn't see you? È di Cinisi, Cinisaro.
We got like a lot of Bartolotta in Detroit.
In Detroit, and many Bartolottas.
A lot
Yeah.
of Bartolotta, yeah.
Then we have
Bartolotta from Cina.
Alice. Ciao Alice. Ciao Sherry Kanger. Good morning. Good morning to Sherry and to all beautiful people in Omaha, in Nebraska.
Omaha.
Yeah. Katie, I have Julie, Debbie, a lot of people. Katie Viviano, it's your daughter! Ciao Katie!
She's watching.
Katie Viviano Tocco! Saluta a tua figlia!
Vedi su di sciacquati in Sicilia.
But is Katie
Diciamo mezza Sicilia.
speaks in English? She speaks in English?
Yeah.
So she understands everything.
Everything. Siciliano.
Tutte
tutto,
cose che
tutte
ciao
cose.
Katie, ti abbracciamo, vedi come si sciallano tua madre e tuo padre, dale che bella contenta, dale che bella frisca. Va bene, chi facemi salutiamo?
Salutiamo a tutti.
Salutiamo
Ciao,
e,
ciao.
e
I see you in a couple of days.
and I see you next summer,
Next
okay?
summer. I'm going to see you on video.
Perhaps you see us in Detroit, you never know.
Hey, let us know.
In person,
Let us know, yeah.
would be
person.
wonderful.
That's it.
Would be so nice. Salutiamo, allora, mettiamone
Nice
tutti.
for you guys to
Tutti
do
insieme,
this.
la ma dire tutti insieme la
Salutiamo. Aspetta che giriamo. Allora, vedremo
Sì, che finiamo.
Su semoli tutti.
Stamattina tocca, eh?
Ciao.
Allora.
Ma dire tutti insieme la no Bugs and Kisses from Sicily tutti
Ok.
insieme, ok?
aspetta che
Allora,
così vi prendo tutti.
siamo pronti?
Ciao guys.
Ciao.
First of all, don't forget the most important thing. We are all Sicilians in the heart, in the DNA. No matter if you are in Detroit, in Australia, in Canada, all around in Mars, in Jupiter, we are all Sicilians. And we wait for you in person just like they did. So they came here and we are very, very happy, super excited. Now you can say whatever you want.